Just in, direct off the last lady owner. Wow, what a fantastic example this is. It's a couple I've dealt with for many years. Absolutely amazing car. You will not find a better example out for sale. It really has been totally cherished from new. Just look at it. Finished in Saturday white fever. It's the Vauxhall Adam Rocks Air. So it's got a full sunroof, upgraded alloy wheels. The lady bought it when it was about 6 months old as a demonstrator. Full service history. What a great little car. 1.2 engine, 70 brake horsepower. Rear parking sensors, which was an option on this vehicle. Good sized boot for the size of the car. Nice deep boot. Split folding rear seats. Lovely and clean inside. No damage, no marks, no scuffs anywhere. Been totally cherished. No spare wheel on the car. Complete tool kit all there. And that's the black metallic across on the roof. Looks absolutely gorgeous. The black and white contrast, it really does look amazing car. It's got these upgraded turbine alloy wheels. All of them absolutely pristine condition, not been refurbished, all originals. Just look at those, absolutely beautiful. And the previous owner also kept inside of the wheels clean. Just look at those inside there. This is almost how the car came in. So it just shows you how well this car has been cherished from new. Just look at it. Totally unmarked. We don't exaggerate when we say, yeah, it's probably the best example in the country. It really is. Very fastidious owners. Rear privacy glass. It's got the black mirror caps as well. And this great touch, which is the sliding sunroof. All these are controllable from the switch on the roof there. Mileage of just 12,000 miles. That's all it's done. 12,381 miles. Leather multifunction sports steering wheel. Part leather sports upholstery. All totally unmarked. I've got the brochures as well from new. All the upholstery totally unmarked. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells in the vehicle. Front sports seats, again part leather sports seats. Again all in great condition, almost like brand new. Look at that effect on the dashboard. I think it looks absolutely terrific. A little bit different, rather than just plain black dashboard. It is gorgeous. Great stereo system on the car. All clear touchscreen. Bluetooth phone connection. USB input. Air conditioning. 5-speed manual gearbox, and you've also got the city button, which makes the power steering feather light. Just so easy, very handy for parking. Just literally one finger and just look at it, just spins away. Cruise control, speed limiter, phone connection, stereo connections on there as well. What a fabulous car. Ideal first car, or something you can just nip around town with. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. And there it is with the roof completely closed. Again, no damage to the roof, no tears or rips or anything on the roof. Part exchange always welcome. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator on our website and apply direct off our website. We do the videos to show you exactly how nice all our cars are, giving you the confidence to buy this car unseen from the comfort of your home. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Cars, we're based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award-winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. No additional admin fees. The price you see is the price you pay. Any further information, we're on 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. And our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.